Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome back to this video. Today, I have 3 day trades. Again, all losers. And one of my day trades is pretty absurd. How I get filled here. I even go through the process of calling up support or texting support, waiting 3 hours for somebody to get back to me, and then you'll see what they have to say. I do believe that if you want to have a stop limit order out, it should be able to put a stop limit, not just a stop. You'll learn the difference between that in this video. And with that, let's get into the video. But I got filled in up at 45 for the break over here. I was trying to hit join the bid here. As soon as I hit join the bid, looks like I might have to stop out here. 1789. It's gonna be one of those days again where all they do is fake out. Hopefully not. There's a 10-cent spread on this stock though. Why is it so big? That's why I got filled so high then. I did hit market. Okay, I have to put my stop in. If this comes to stop me out, it's another fake out. Breaks over the highs, instant rip down. Why is this what all the stocks are doing lately? Definitely odd that they're all doing this. I think it's odd. Low of this candle is 1791. I can move this up to 90 then. Save myself 1 cent. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Unless they just rip up. Doesn't look like they're gonna. I have a big bid. 95. And they went right through it. If you saw that guy who had, or whoever it was, who had that big bid of 35 on 95, once he took that out, it flushed price because then there was no demand. No buyers, so it just flushed the price. Anyway, another fake out stock, so let's go on to a different one. I'm going to pause until I find one. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm back. This is one of the stocks in my scanner, but all I've been doing is downtrending, so I don't exactly want to trade it. But let me pull this up. Okay, hold on. Let's get this. Jesus, let me get this adjusted. So, okay, I don't get when my phone rings like 3 minutes late after I make a trade. It's pretty pointless. Um, they got support here. They just broke it, so they're gonna make more lows here. They got support trend line going down. They got a resistance trend line going down. So if they break this resistance trend line, that might be a point I would like to enter. They tried to make higher highs here, but they did not break over this. And then they just flushed down to make a low, a new low. Let's see. Well, I'll just pause it until they break it, I guess, so you don't have to wait here. Just starting the recording back up because they're just about to make a low here. If they make a low, I'm going to get off the stock. You can see it's another support. If they break it, they're just going to flush, and I don't want to trade the stock. I would like them to see the bounce and then break through this trend line here, this resistance trend line. Let's check on GameStop real quick. See if they came down to 1022. Oh, look at that. They sure did. I might buy a dip on this, guys. Okay, they just hit that. I'm gonna get in right there. Do I not have enough money? How do I not have enough money? There. Oh, I took a trade. Crap. I have $85. Damn. Forgot I took that trade. Let's just say I got in. Let's just see what happens. Normally when they drop super sharp like that, they'll always pull back in this candle, and then they'll have like 2, maybe 3 green bars that come up a decent amount. Yeah. So that'd be like $3.50, $4 a share there. That would have been nice. $3 to $4 in a day. What am I down? $1.20. Yep. Maybe I should have waited to play these guys. Let's check on AMC. This is why I lost on yesterday. Did the same thing. They only moved like 10 cents though. That's really bad. Check on the airlines. They're all doing bad. Tesla 675. Jesus. They were just at like 700 the other day. Well, I'm gonna pause again until I find somebody to trade. I was just checking my scanner to make sure my scanner was right, and I come back to the stock. It hit this again. I thought it was gonna break it. It might break it here because you can see the pennant is starting to really squeeze. So if it does come up here, I will buy in 3 shares of them. No, 5. They're gonna get squeezed into a breakout, whichever way they go. Maybe it's to the upside. Hopefully it's to the upside. I'll jump in on it. Two seconds left. Okay. What's your spread on the stock? Why is this spread 4 cents? That's not good. I want them to break this first. They still didn't break it. We don't have any volume. No. 44. I'm getting off the stock. They have no volume. Never mind. Let's go back to the scanner. I have 4 stocks in my scanner, but none of them are popping up in my watch list. So I have to go in here. SRTS. Let's look at them. SRTS. Here's the only stock in my scanner that's actually uptrending, and it's not popping up for me. So let's analyze them. Got that. Let's go pre-market, see if it's got any resistance. Pre-market is just chop, so not really anything. Maybe a support here because they got 2 2 resistance points there, but they're over it now, so my act as support. Zoom that out. Do this. So what I would wait for is a pullback back down to either the trend line or to this line. See which one they favor. Try to get in there. I'm going with well, how much money do I got? 85. I'll just go in with 5. They're probably gonna have a pullback down to the EMAs and maybe pull back even harder. They didn't make a lower low than this big drop. I need some water. I got a support there. Support there. They're really choppy, really rippy, it looks like. It could be good or bad. These guys have news because somebody raised their price target to $6. And they beat their estimate in sales. So I guess it's good news. So they have a catalyst. They're trending up. Okay. Another 10-cent freaking spread. Why are the spreads so big today on cheap stocks? These market makers are just greedy out here. I swear. Every single stock I had that were all $5 had a 10-cent spread. $30 stocks are supposed to have like a 2-cent spread. Maybe I won't get in. As soon as I saw that spread, I did not want to use market order because I would have got filled at the highest price. That's how they play you. If you use market, you're getting filled at the highest price there is. That way the market maker makes all that profit. Between the actual stock price and what you got filled for. I need some sort of pullback and consolidation down here before I want to get in. So I don't want to risk 20 cents down. I need to come down more for me. You guys see that? The stock price is just at 505 and this candle was not moving. It's like this candle's delayed. Rewind that if you can, if you're watching this video. It was just at like 505 and it was still at 515. You know, they're at 509, they're at 510. This is at 508, this is at 510. Nothing's matching up here. They're not at 517. They were just at 508. Like, what's going on here with TD Ameritrade lately? It's like they're delaying me. Or they're delaying everybody. I don't know. Still don't want to buy it. They need to come down some more. They need to show that this is a support by coming and testing it again. Is this got good volume? I didn't even check the volume. Not really. Volume on the day should be more. These guys have no volume. Pre-market's only 100. I don't even like this stock now. Just realizing how little their volume is. I'm not even gonna play that. LIXT has the most volume. So let's go back to them real quick. Can I type it here and it'll change everything? LIXT. Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, they broke out. But they're still, now this is a support. It's still a support. That is not what I want to see here. They broke out, but they're still riding the support down here. I wouldn't be interested unless they get over this high. So, there is not one good stock to play today. Unless GME comes down to $80. I doubt that's going to happen. AMC, still crap. Maybe a dip by an AMC. I mean, I might do that. Excuse me. I've been sneezing a lot. See, these guys have a tight spread, about a cent. That's how it should be. Unusual options activity on AMC. No good news, no bad news. I don't even know. My setup is not to be buying in a downtrend, so I'm not even going to do this. I'm going to pause until I actually find something to trade here. Okay, just turn it back on real quick. That means, since I can't find any stocks, that literally means that there is no stocks to trade. I always have this on 20%, so it filters out anything that's not 200. So anything that's below 20% on the day, I don't want to see. These are the only stocks today from $1 to $30, and that have a million, or have a minimum of a million volume. That's it. That's all that's here today. I had this on 75 million earlier. Why is it changing? Well, let me change it. 75, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, now, well, I didn't get anything new. This shouldn't even be in there. Why is that popping up? That doesn't make sense. Oh well, let me go 50. Anything over 50 is kind of big. Scan that. So these are the only two stocks I still got. And this is the one that has the most volume. So this is the one that the most people are on. But you can see all it's done is fall. I mean, maybe all the action was pre-market. They are still just not doing anything here. I mean, I got support down here. That's the closest support for pre-market. But I mean, it looks like they might start to finally uptrend. Maybe. If they break over this high, I'll buy in. 580. That means they're making a new high from the previous high. They're still on this trend line that I put in there a while ago. Well, I'll pause it again until they either make a new high or there's just nothing to trade. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm starting this recording back up because I kind of just started a new trend here with these three candles. They just flush back down. If they break over 574, I'm getting in there. Okay. All right, I missed it. Too late. Too late to analyze it. I did not think they were going to skyrocket up like that. I was going to buy up here as well, but I don't know. Might be another fake out candle, so it might be good I missed it. But yeah, it looks like you're starting to uptrend now. You can delete this. So let's see. All right, they already broke that, so I'm not going to enter up there. Yeah, looks like I just missed a nice trade there. I was too late. Maybe they'll pull back. Hopefully they pull back. Pull back enough that I feel comfortable to take the trade. I don't want to risk 30 cents. I need a tighter risk, so I'm not losing so much. They're going to break through 590, it looks like. Right through that, probably up to 6. That would be a nice 40 cents right there. Well, no. It'd be like 20 cents if I get in right here. I want to know if they're going to break this or if they're going to hold it. That's what I wanted to know. If they hold that, I'll enter up there. It looks like they're holding it. Excuse me. And then my stop will be right below it. Might be a decent trade. I don't want to get in too early though. This candle has 20 seconds. I kind of want to see what the next candle does. If the next candle rips up, I'll buy up here. Oh no, I don't want to buy up there. All right, they broke it. Nope. Might flush down now. You see the ask size was huge. Way bigger than the bids. There was. Now buyers are stepping in. I need some coffee. That's what I forgot this morning. I didn't make any coffee. They broke through all the EMAs, so they're probably going to come down next candle even more now. Let's see what next candle does. Waiting here. Maybe I'll buy over 581 for the break over the previous. I don't know. Don't know yet how I want to enter the stock. I'd like to enter down here, knowing this is still support. So maybe I'll just stick to that. Yeah, I'll just do that. We got 30 seconds in this candle still. It's got no volume. You know, you could drag your volume around, so you want to make it bigger. I'm just trying to fit these other candles. I mean, do they have volume? Maybe. I do feel like this candle is going to break this, though. Come down. Maybe test this. There's no volume. The bear volume's dropping off. It's a lot less than the bull volume here. You can see down here. Bear volume, bull volume. Looks like it's just about to break this. Yep, look at that crash. Okay, I want it to hold here. Waiting a second. I'm gonna get in there. Have my stop right below it. At 62 or 60. If they do hold this trend, put that down 1 more cent. They're holding it so far, so hopefully they do. Or they might break it. I don't know. I do think it was a good trade here. I waited for them to come down to the support. They hit support. I got in. I'm only risking 8 cents down for 40-ish cents up, so I'm probably going to cut or take a decent amount off once it hits up this line, because that was previous resistance. And they broke it, so they're probably going to flush real quick, and I'll get stopped out here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out here now. If I do get stopped, this is going to be the only trade I'll take. There's really nothing else today to trade. So that's why I'm being picky. It's through my stop, but I'm not getting stopped out here. What? What did I just get filled at? I swear to God. 43. Are you serious? I got filled at 43? I had my stop up at 60. Hold on. No, 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 no. You are not doing that to me, TD Ameritrade. I will call them up right now. Messages. Where is it? Let me just go to monitor. Look at fills. 43. Are you serious? I had my stop in at 59, and I get filled at 43. It's a limit order. A limit order. I'm not supposed to get filled 20 cents below. Are you serious? This is what they did to me the other day trade. Go check out the other video. You'll see them F me over in every single trade. They just cost me another 20 cents. I have my stop in. It's a limit order. If I don't get filled at my limit price, I don't get filled. How am I going to get filled 20 cents lower? TD Ameritrade is set up for these guys to lose. Don't go to TD Ameritrade. Okay, my other video, it's called I Got My Butt Kicked. Horrible day trades. Every single one was a fake out, but every single trade I took in that video, faked out. Not faked out. Well, yes, they were fake outs, but every single time TD Ameritrade was messing with my orders and making me get filled 20 to 30 cents lower every single trade. And I had stops in. I'm going to contact them right now in the video. All right. So I just texted them. Why did my limit order, not Limmy, too late now. It's supposed to be limit. Why did my limit order get filled 20 cents lower than what I had it filled for? I want a good and long explanation. Okay. Every single time you guys text them, they always beat around the bush and they never really answer it. Or they be snotty and lie to you. I've caught them lie to me so many times. I have pictures of it. All they do is try to lie to you. They're not here for you. So I'm going to get their answers on screen here. So I'm going to pause it until they send an answer. Because sometimes it might take an hour. All right, it's been over 35 minutes. I texted them at 10:32. And it's 11:08. They still didn't get back to me. Probably because they read this and they don't even want to give me an explanation because they know they effed up. But I would like my money back. That's not how it works. It's a limit order for a reason. Either you get bought at your price you want to get bought at or sold at, or you don't get filled. It's not that you get filled wherever they want you. It's where you put your limit order in. So I would really love for them to get back to me before I have to call them up. Because I will call them up. All right. I'll stop it here. Either I'm calling them up in the next clip or they texting me back. Okay, she finally got back to me. I was busy, but she finally got back to me. So it took her about 3 hours for somebody to get back to me. So I told her the stock and what happened. She asked what happened and when and all that stuff. You can read here if you want. But I told her I sold the 5 shares at this time. And I said, I had a stop limit order in, misspelled that, at 559 on ActiveTrader, and I have a video of it for proof. I got filled at 543 instead, and it makes no sense why my limit order got filled so low. She says, yes, on this stock. You had a stop market order in to sell that stop at the stop of... Hold on a second. You had a stop market order? No, I did not. In to sell that stop at the stop of 559, and once the stock dropped and triggered the order then goes in to sell at market, and that's when you were filled at market price of 543. If you were wanting to sell your price or better, you could do that with a limit order. I said, no, it's a limit order. It does not matter where the price is. I'm supposed to get filled at that price of the limit order. If the price is above or below my limit order, I do not get filled. So please explain why my limit order got filled. Misspelled that. So let's see what she says. Because first of all, it was not a market limit order. You cannot do that with a market order. I'll show you right now. drag that up there. Well, it's not going to work because I have no more money. But you see where it says buy for limit. It says buy for limit and sell for limit. It's not a market order, it's a limit order. So they're already lying to me. Let's see what she said. Yes, that would be correct if it was a limit order, but it wasn't. This is a stop market order. A stop was triggered once it stops down to your price. In the limit order, you would set higher and it wouldn't sell unless it reached your price better. Okay. So on Active Trader, why does it say, let's see what it says real quick. Sell for a limit. Let me extend this over. We can really see. Yes. Sell for limit. Now it's a stop. Why that just change? You guys saw that? Wait, why am I at 100? Hold on. What the heck? What's that? Oh, I'm on Jimmy. Anyway. So yes, if it's above the price, it's a limit. If it's below, it's a stop. But it's still a limit. Because I'm putting the price in that I want to get stopped at. It literally goes in limit stop. What if I was to put it in there? Or I'll click and see what happens. Ready? It says stop. You're not allowed to short. Oh, I can't short. Well, I can't right now, but you can go back in the video and watch it, okay? So, anyway. So on Active Trader, why does it say stop if I'm trying to sell my position at a lower price, but it goes in as a limit stop order, not a market stop. If it was a market stop, it would be moving with the price of the stock. If it was a market stop, then it would be moving. Right? Moving with the stock price. Right. So an active trader, why does it say stop if I'm trying to sell my position at a lower price? But it goes in as limit stop order. Yeah, not a market stop. It goes in as a limit. It is a limit order. When it pops up on my screen saying orders out there on my screen, it says limit stop. When I have my order out for a stop, it is on my screen as a stop limit. Correct? Let me go find like a super cheap stock or something. I don't know. I'll see if I can show you there. What's the cheap stock? Doing this all live, so what's the cheap stock name? Let's look one up. Let's look one up real quick. Okay. TEUM. TEUM. God, why is that so loud? My lordy. Those after hours. I don't know if I can buy these guys after hours. They're not even trading. Okay, well, let's just see what she said. Let's go back on GME. GameStop. She says, you would use a stop if you wanted the stock to sell if it dropped to drop to a lower price, but there are stop market orders and stop limit orders. This was a stop market order. The stop is either order. The stop is either order. The stop is either order is a trigger for the order to go in and sell the market, and it will sell right away as at market, and it with the limit it will sell at or better. Stop limit orders you will be putting in 2 different amounts at a stop market only of 1. So why does it say stop limit? So why does it say stop limit on my screen when I put my stop order in? Here. I'm going to pull up something just to show you guys. Videos. Okay. Going through my videos now. Alright, it's been over 35 minutes. I texted them at 10:32. Okay, not this one. They still didn't get back to me. Maybe this is one. Alright, so I just texted them. Not that one. Why did my limit order? This one. Okay, I'm starting this recording back up. Yes, okay. So let's see this. I kind of want to see what the next candle does. Let's see this. I do think it was so it only does say stop. Really? For them to come down to support. They hit support. They got in. Stop. Only risking 8 cents down. For when did they change this? It used to always say stop limit. I'm probably gonna cut or take a decent amount off once it hits up this line. That's bullcrap. I should be getting filled where my stop is. And they broke it, so they're probably gonna flush real quick and get stopped down here. Okay. I will make sure to only use stop limits. Thank you. Let me close this out so you don't have to hear me twice. Anyway. So in that case, close that out. So in that case, you can see it says, okay. So stop order below, obviously. Limit order is above because that's where you want your profit to be. So how would I put it in a stop limit? How do I do that on here then? It ain't in here nowhere. Ain't in here nowhere. Trigger with a bracket? What the heck did that even mean? Like, what is that? I can't customize what I need. TD Ameritrade is just pointless to day trade on. If they can fill you 20 cents lower than what your stop is, what's the point of the stop? Okay, what is the entire point of the stop? Would love to know. Would love to know. Anyway, that's it with this video. Hopefully you learned something. Mainly that TD Ameritrade, not a good platform to day trade on. I'm making a video on my other horrible fills that I had like a day or two ago. A video's out if you want to go watch it. Pay close attention to every order. You'll just see. With that though, if you learned anything, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment on everything you had a question about or anything I messed up on. I know I messed up a couple things in here, but now I know. So with that, thank you for watching.